Now, Michael Jaafar, we know the jury was reacting to that testimony, but talk about the impact that it could have. Maybe not as much even on the guilt phase, but it could have on the penalty phase with Chad Daybell reacting in a physical way to that testimony.
I have a strong opinion on this, Julia, and here's what it is. In the lead up to this case, we've seen bloggers and vloggers who were analyzing the case be interviewed outside the courthouse, even by our own Matt Johnson, where they were saying, look, Chad Daybell never reacts. Even when his attorney speaks to him, he doesn't even move his head and look and acknowledge his attorney. He just moves his eyes, and he keeps he's very, very, very stoic. So I'm going to give this as a credit to his attorney. His attorney would have grabbed him by the lapels ahead of the case and said, you listen to me and listen to me good. I'll do my job to get you off because I truly believe in your case, but you need to do your part. Your part is more important than my part. When emotional evidence is admitted, I do not want you to do this whole stoic thing. You're not a doomsday prophet today. Under my guidance, you're a defendant fighting for your life. We know the evidence that's going to be admitted. We know the playbook. We've seen the case ahead of this case, and we saw how that ended. It ended with her going to jail for the rest of her life. Do you want to spend the rest of your life in jail? No. If you don't do that, you have to listen to me, okay? And you listen to me by reacting when the evidence comes in. The jury wants to relate to you. They want to see that you're relatable. They won't see you as relatable if you don't react. So that's my theory behind that, because you don't shift from being stoic to being overly reactive unless you have been, advised.